This is Dodie, our 1985 Mercedes-Benz W123 series 200T. Done a presentation of her before, but it's already quite a while ago. And now after a day of cleaning, vacuuming, water vacuuming the interior, polishing, I thought it was time for another presentation. So here we go. A 200T. That means she's equipped with the M102 straight 4, a 2-liter carburetor engine. By now nearly 187,000 kilometers, but as you can tell, she's purring like a little kitten. So that's the engine bay. Let's close it. Dodie is dressed in Barolored, color code 540, a color that is pretty rare on a 123 series, in any case here in the Netherlands, primarily because it was only available in 84 and 85. Her interior is Dattel cloth, and that's color code 54, and as you can see, her interior is in, I would say, pristine condition. She is, well, virtually in completely original shape. There's been some touch-up work, but not too much. So altogether in very good shape. The options that she came with factory standard are the sunroof, 4 power windows, a split 1/3, 1/3, 2/3 backseat, radio preparation, so the antenna and the wiring, heat resistant glass, and of course her very cool feature, very rare, the 3rd row seat, which makes her a 7-seater. We like to accessorize her, for either practical or show reasons. So here you see, for example, an original time period correct emergency kit to be used when you need to document an accident. Maps of Europe, 85-86. On a more practical note, we got the rubber mats, and if you lift those, you'll see that the carpets, like everything else, is in excellent condition. We also got color matching mats in the back, although these are aftermarkets, but still color matching. On the roof, a couple of crossbars that go together with the reinforced roof option. She doesn't have that. That's very much an American option. I've only seen it maybe once or twice on cars here in Europe. As a 3rd series car, because after all she's from the end of the runtime of the 123 series, she was already equipped with the zebrano wood on the dashboard. We've taken that theme and replaced the black plastic switch panel, heater knobs, the ashtray, gear knob, and the zebrano box. Oh, did I already mention she has 4 power windows? Well, if not, then now I think the power windows speak a lot in combination with the third back seat for the family use that the car obviously has been ordered for and also has been used. Because also if you just look at the overall condition of the entire interior. So let me just put the seat down. And then we can safely say this car has never seen any severe cargo damage, loading, whatever. Great shape. What we don't have visible yet here in this presentation, but we are the proud owners also of a number of roof rails accessories, including the original Oris roof boxes, the cargo boxes, ski shoe boxes, the Oris roof rack, and the ski holders. For the back we also have a carbox Bootliner that we normally have in there if we don't have the third seat up. All of that to preserve the pristine condition of the interior. So I hope you have enjoyed this presentation of Dodie, a 1985 Mercedes-Benz W123 200T. Driving around here in the Netherlands, member of the MB W123 Club Netherlands, and altogether our pride and joy. I hope you enjoyed it.